Hello, I'm Chris, the co-founder of Novedge. I hope this finds you safe and healthy. And I'm here to tell you what we're doing for you to make it easier to buy design software at Novedge. First of all, the large catalog. We have more than 150 different brands of design software available, which means that you can find anything you need with us, and you don't have to go shop with vendors that only offer a single product line or resellers that offer only the limited selection. Everything you need, you will find at Novedge. Such a large selection also means that we don't have to sell you what we would like you to buy, but we can really help you to find what you need. We can also help you with the prorated co-terminating licenses, which is a mouthful, which really means we can help you have all your licenses renew on the same date for your convenience. And of course, we can accept all sorts of payments, not just the usual credit cards plus PayPal. We can give you terms if you qualify. We can do payments in installments. We can even do leasing on a subscription. So next time you need design software, just give us a call and we will be very happy to help you. Nobody makes it easier than Novedge.